Welcome to George and Jane YouTube video channel of adventures and hobbies. Please subscribe and like, comments welcome. Don't forget to browse the playlists.
Hi YouTubers, it's George, struggling with the extractor for the cook hood, but I've got some of this white plastic. It's the same plastic, it's made of the pipe fittings, and I've had to make a new outlet for the cooker, which goes on the top. It's like an adapter, and this is what I come up with, and it moves the position of the outlet pipe here to there, which is enough to go straight through the ceiling, and that's what I've come up with as a solution. And it is white plastic, and I'm actually spraying it black to match the the black of the extractor fan paintwork. You won't be able to see it, but it just neatens it off, and hopefully this will do the trick to get it through the ceiling properly. Right, I've got the old fan running in here. Just spray some paint. I'll give it another coat and just give it a shiny surface against fat sticking to it. It's black, it might not be coming out very well on the camera. But, it's spitting with rain, that's why I've had to do it in the garage. I don't normally like spraying paint, especially in the garage, but yeah, it's coming on. It's going to be time to go up in the roof space and sort that out. Yeah, it's alright, I'm quite pleased with that. It's a funny shape though. I can see it. I'll probably show a better picture of it in the light when the paint's dry. Okay, it's, the time is 5:45 in the morning, Sunday morning, and the reason why I'm working on the cooker hood is because it's over 30 degrees in the day, too hot. So I'm going to be working on the cooker hood vent, and I'll just get up there. I'll use a pair of steps to get up here, and I'll try and show you what I'm up against. Okay. You can see that here's the vent hole and here's the pipe, and I've made this adapter, and this adapter goes in here like that, and it shifts the pipe over so it joins here. Okay, I'm going to put some screws in the front and screws in the side and get the pipe on. So here it is. This is the bit in the kitchen done, and yeah, turned out quite neat in the end. Oh, balancing up here on the kitchen. Give it a quick wipe down. Bit of dust. Not bad. Yeah, a bit of cobweb up there, got to get rid of. Right, let me do that. Now it's going to be the roof space, but not today. Well, you're probably getting fed up with my videos, especially to do with do-it-yourself type things. Sorting out my tools for drilling a hole in the wall, and I've got my hole drill bits here. This is the one I'm going to use for the vent, and this is my drill. It's not a very expensive hammer drill, but it's a beast. Yeah, you know, it's going to be heavy for me to do it. what I'm going to try and do is drill a pilot hole through the wall. I might start with that one, and then this one, this is the main one, but it needs a centre light pilot hole till it gets going, which is that. But I'm going to drill this. It's probably not long enough to go through the cavity, but I've got a second one here, this great big long one I can put through, or even I've got a very thin one here I can put through the cavity straight the way through, so I can see what it's like from the outside and where it's going to appear. And because I might have to drill it, I don't really want to split the bricks, so what I tend to do is to drill one way, then chisel it out, and then drill the other way from the outside, and so I don't break the surface. If you drill right through with one of these, it can split the brick as it comes through, so you don't have a nice finish on the outside, and I want a clean hole. And so that's what I'm going to be using. And it's a bit cooler today, so I might be able to do it quite successfully. What I forgot to get out is I need a chisel, so I can split the brick, because obviously a brick is a lot deeper, so you drill so far and chisel, otherwise the brick gets jammed in here, you get a cone of brick and you can't get any deeper. So what you drill as far as that comes flush with the wall, you pull this back out, you chisel it so it breaks up the brick, and then you can go deeper, and then you chisel it again, and then you can go deeper. And then there is an extension to this. This thing, this extension, which can go in here, you know, so you can go deeper and deeper, but you have to keep chiseling it out as you go so far in. I just need to find some chisels. Okay, I just found my chisel. There it is. It's not a very big one, but if necessary, I've got this thing as well. Yeah, it's quite a selection of bits and pieces. This is for breaking up concrete. Oh, yeah, okay, I've got that as well, I need, won't I? Yeah, quite a combination of stuff.